Hello viewers, welcome back to new video. In this video, I will show how to solve cannot record voice message during a phone call on WhatsApp. Let's see how to solve this problem. Swipe down notification panel, turn on flight mode or aeroplane mode, go to phone setting, scroll down, click on app management, click on app list, scroll down, click on WhatsApp, click on storage and cache, tap on clear cache. Now go to WhatsApp app. WhatsApp voice message problem solved. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.